Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the nutritional benefits of common foods you probably already have in your kitchen. We'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand, so you can make informed choices about what you put on your plate. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is key to a healthy lifestyle. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized nutrition recommendations. Now let's get started and unlock the power of these everyday foods. We've all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and there's truth to that. Apples are packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. They're also a good source of antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system, plus their crunchy texture makes for a satisfying snack. Bananas are nature's convenient energy booster. They're packed with potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Bananas are also a good source of vitamin B6, which supports energy metabolism and brain health. Grab one before or after a workout for a natural energy boost. Berries are nutritional powerhouses bursting with flavor. They're rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and help fight inflammation. Berries are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber. Add them to your breakfast, yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. Chapter 4. Leafy green power. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are essential for overall health. They're packed with iron, crucial for red blood cell production and carrying oxygen throughout the body. They're also excellent sources of calcium for strong bones, vitamin K for blood clotting, and folate, which is important during pregnancy. Chapter 5. Broccoli, your tiny tree of health. Don't underestimate the power of broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is full of vitamins, minerals, and cancer-fighting compounds called glucosinolates. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Enjoy it steamed, roasted, or even raw with a healthy dip. Chapter 6. Carrots, beyond good vision. Carrots are well known for their beta-carotene content, which our bodies convert to vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision, but they offer more than that. Carrots are also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion, and antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Chapter 7. Chicken protein powerhouse. Chicken is a lean protein source that's an important part of a balanced diet. It's packed with essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, crucial for muscle growth and repair. Choose skinless chicken breast for the leanest option and try grilling, baking, or stir-frying it for a healthy and delicious meal. Chapter 8. Dive into fish for omega-3s. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are nutritional powerhouses. They are one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for heart, brain, and eye health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation throughout the body and support cognitive function. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Chapter 9. Legumes, plant-based power. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are nutritional superstars, especially for those following a plant-based diet. They are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Lentils are a great source of iron, while chickpeas are packed with folate. Incorporate them into soups, stews, salads, or make delicious dips like hummus. Chapter 10. Got milk, calcium, and more. Milk is a good source of calcium, which is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. It also contains vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently. Milk also provides protein essential for muscle function and repair. Choose low-fat or skim milk to reduce your intake of saturated fat. Chapter 11. Yogurt, gut feeling, eat more yogurt. Yogurt is a fermented dairy product that's packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is linked to better digestion, improved immunity, and even mental health. Choose plain yogurt and add your own fruits and honey for a healthy and delicious snack or breakfast option. Chapter 12. Almond milk, a dairy-free delight. Almond milk is a popular dairy-free alternative that's low in calories and naturally lactose-free. It's fortified with calcium and vitamin D, making it a good option for those who avoid dairy. Almond milk is versatile and can be used in smoothies, poured over cereal, or enjoyed on its own. Brown rice is a nutritious whole grain that's a good source of fibre, which is important for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's also a good source of magnesium, which plays a role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function. Choose brown rice over white rice for a healthier option. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Quinoa is a versatile grain that can be used in salads, soups, or as a base for grain bowls. Whole wheat is a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied after meals. It also contains vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, which are essential for energy metabolism. Choose whole wheat bread, pasta, and tortillas over refined grains. Avocados are unique fruits that are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, E, and K. Enjoy avocados in salads, sandwiches, or make a delicious guacamole. Nuts and seeds like almonds and chia seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant, while chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, known for its health benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is linked to heart health. Olive oil is also a good source of antioxidants such as vitamin E, which help protect your cells from damage. Use it for cooking, salad dressings, or drizzle it over vegetables. That's it for today's video on the amazing nutrition benefits of everyday foods. Remember, a balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and nutrition tips. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in the long run. Eat well, live well, and I'll see you in the next video.